Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. Today I am going to be sharing with you my best Makeup Revolution products of 2017. So as you well know, if you are subscribed to this channel or if you have watched any of my videos before, I am 100% well and truly a Makeup Revolution addict. I mean, there's worse things than there's worse things than makeup to be addicted to, so I am totally cool with the fact that I'm addicted to Makeup Revolution. And as a result of that, I unfortunately spend a lot of my money on makeup. You get a lot of bang for your buck with Makeup Revolution, but you also get skin if you spend all your money on them. So the first half of 2017, more often than not, I spent the largest amount of my monthly wage on their new releases. So I got to try a lot of new products out, which is super fun for me and super fun for you guys, because now I'm going to share my best buys with you. So I didn't buy all the way throughout the year because latter half of the year I did try and rein in the spending, so I didn't get to try as much out. But I've got a good few top picks of their 2017 releases that I really loved. So if you like the idea of this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below, because I'll do more of these types of like chatty videos where I don't just put makeup on my face, I actually talk to you about products, because I've noticed that a couple of you guys do seem to like those videos. So yeah, definitely let me know down below. And also, before we get started, I just want to say a big thank you for all my lovely subscribers who let me know in my, what video was it? Was it maybe my best of beauty video that I did? You guys all let me know when you subscribed to me and when you found me and how you found me. So yeah, I really enjoyed reading through all those comments and replying to you, so thank you so much for doing that. It really made me get to know you a bit better, which is what I want to do. So yeah, if you haven't let me know already how you found me, then feel free to leave it in this video and when you subscribed. And this time I would like to know what you guys fell in love with from Makeup Revolution in 2017. So it doesn't have to be a 2017 release, but just any Makeup Revolution or Tan Beauty product that you fell in love with, leave it down below in the comment section. And let's jump right into the video because we've got a lot to go through. So I have split this up into 3 sections because I've only got 3 sections worth of products, which to be honest is the main sort of makeup products that I buy from Makeup Revolution. So we have lip products, highlighters. Why am I doing it this way? Who counts this way? So we've got lip products, highlighters and eyeshadow palettes. The 3 things that I think Makeup Revolution absolutely kill it with. The products are amazing anyway, but those are the top 3 I think they do so well in those 3 categories. So I'm going to start with lip products first. If any of you watched my Best of Beauty 2017 video, if you haven't, PS, oh not a PS, what is the word I'm looking for? Side note. If you haven't, side note, it's linked in the description box if you'd like to go and watch it after this video. It will come as no shock to you that I love the Renaissance lipsticks. So they brought out a whole new range of lipsticks. They absolutely smashed it with these. I'm going to leave the prices of all the products on the screen because I can't remember them off the top of my head. But I'll leave them here. I'll also list them in the description box so you can go and purchase them if you would like. But yeah, they released a whole bunch of these, which I think looks shockingly similar to Charlotte Tilbury. Don't know about the quality because you guys know I could not afford a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Maybe one day, but not today anyway. I bought 3 lipsticks. I've only got 2 here because the other one must be in the bottom of a handbag. Who can relate? This shade is Awaken, this one is Class, and I think, off the top of my head, the other one is Breathe. So it's like a nudie brown, a pink and an orange. Absolutely love the pigmentation on these, like literally one swipe, that is your lip completely covered. You don't have to keep going in with different layers. That's it, which is amazing. So yeah, love these, love the colour, love the pigmentation, the shade range is amazing, and I actually think that today, the day that I'm filming, they released some more of these shades, so the collection is growing, it's ever growing, and I absolutely love these lipsticks, so I had to put them in the top. Also, I'm pretty sure this was a release of 2017 in like January, February time, but Makeup Revolution come out with the metallic and the glossy lip kits. I'm a huge fan. I bought almost all of them. I think there was just like 1 or 2 shades that I didn't get because I didn't think it would suit me and I wouldn't wear them. But my favourite from the metallic range is We Rule. It is a beautiful, gorgeous rosy gold colour. And also from the glossy range, this is the shade Original. So they come with the gloss and the pencil, or like the metallic one and the pencil to match. Pretty sure they were only £6, but the price will be on the screen somewhere now. How amazing are these though? They literally last all day. Again, pigmentation in the colour, it is just to die for. Also, I'm really sorry if I'm not showing you a close-up of the products. It's just because I've already showed close-ups and swatches and whatnot in previous videos, because I have done videos on most of these products. What I'll actually do is leave my Makeup Revolution playlist in the description box of this video, because yeah, loads of you guys that are subscribed are here for Makeup Revolution videos, so I did a whole playlist and it's in the description box if you want to watch it, and then you'll maybe see swatches or makeup tutorials using the products. Okay, moving on to highlighters. As you can see, I am a highlighter fanatic. Can you see this glow that's on my face? This is actually the Ultra Pro Glow 2 palette. That came out in 2017, but I've not added it in this haul because I've not fallen in love with it yet. I do love my Ultra Pro Glow 1, and I think that was 2016. But yeah, I'm a highlighter hoarder, highlighter fanatic. So when the Skin Kiss highlighters come out, which look like this, packaging, amazing. Look at them, they're so pretty, rose gold. Don't pick up on the camera because they're so shiny. But I bought all of the Skin Kiss highlighters, and my favourite one, if I can get it open and show you, is Ice Kiss. It is so gorgeous and it goes beautifully with my skin tone. It is quite light on the skin because I'm not the fairest of white skin tones. I'm kind of like an olivey white colour, which probably makes no sense, but my skin tone is really not that pale. Looks quite pale in the camera, but I'm not that pale, but then I'm not that tanned either. I'm kind of in the middle. So this one is a little bit white on me, but oh my god, the glow is just amazing. The pigmentation, whew, I just said I'm not going to do swatches, and what am I doing? Can't help myself. This is just so beautiful, and there's so much product in here. 14 grams of product for not a lot of money. It's just brilliant. I just love it so much. When this came out, I fell in love, guys. I fell in love with the product. I'm so glad I purchased them. I've got all the other shades, Peach Kiss, Golden Kiss, the bronzy one. Did a video on them too, which is listed down below in that playlist. And yeah, I really loved it. This is definitely one of my favourite highlighters from Makeup Revolution. The next highlighter is a little palette by a little someone called So Does Nails. I just done a video on this, maybe last video I think. Again, link down below. Let's count how many times I've said that in this video. I'm not going to go into it in too much detail because if you've watched that video it'll just be a repeat. But yeah, this palette I had to include it. Come out in 2017 and I think the world kind of went a little crazy for it. All the Makeup Revolution and So fans out there all grabbed this as soon as it came out, I think. And it's not really any surprise because it is a stunning palette. The pigmentation is amazing. And really, I think this is one of the glowiest highlighter products that they've brought out, which I love because I really do love a strong highlight. I mean, if you're going to put highlight on, why not just make it the strongest highlight you can do? Okay, we're on the last section now, which is eyeshadow palettes. I do feel that this video is going by very quickly, but I didn't want to spend too long rambling on because I'm a rambler. So let's just jump right in. First things first, the Flawless 3 Resurrection palette. Again, with the rose gold packaging, I just can't cope with this, it's so beautiful. This is the one that I did a dupe comparison with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette because of these tones here. The minute I got this, I was like, this has to be a dupe. And it was a dupe. It was a very good dupe in fact, and I'm pretty sure this was like £8 or £10. A bargain price. How many shades are in here? 32 shades. Like, yeah, they're a little bit smaller than some of the other palettes, definitely smaller than the Anastasia ones, but they're just amazing. The pigmentation is just so good. Oh, I love Makeup Revolution. Next up is the I Heart Makeup, which is a brand off of Makeup Revolution, and this is their Chocolate Rose Gold palette. Oh, it's so beautiful, and it does smell nice. It doesn't smell totally like chocolate, but there is a chocolate hint in there. And this one is a dupe of the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Also done a video on this, and oh my god, this is stunning. I sometimes look back at my old videos and just to get a little bit of inspiration for makeup, because, you know, I can inspire myself. Who knows? I'm pretty sure other YouTubers probably watch back their old videos sometimes, but I always find myself drawn to the tutorial I did on this palette. It's just so beautiful. The colours are amazing, and these foiled shadows, oh, let me tell you, they're just brilliant. They really did a good job with this, because a foiled shadow is probably not the easiest to do, and for a drugstore brand to do that and pull it out the bag and make it so damn good, that is amazing. So had to go in my top products, just had to go in there. Okay, and another product that I just mentioned in a previous video recently was the Soap palette. Yeah, I'm not going to talk about this one in too much detail either, but I think it was like £10. The colours are beautiful. There's so much different ones as well. Like, there's a lot of bright ones. There's a nice green one in there, which is kind of the in colour this season. I've found a lot of you guys are using green on your eyes or loving the kind of greeny olive tones. So yeah, this is a really brilliant palette and beautiful packaging, and yeah, they did a super good job on this too. Another chocolate bar palette now. This is the chocolate orange palette. Again, I talked about this in my best of beauty. I feel like I am kind of repeating myself, but I did want to do this just to kind of showcase some other Makeup Revolution products that I was loving too. The shades in this are very me though, like the orangey, burnt orange, burgundy, cranberry tones, that is completely up my alley. So all the warm tones is something that I absolutely love. They suit my eye colour and my hair colour and my skin colour very well. They actually suit a lot of people, so if you haven't ventured into trying an orange tone, I know it can seem really scary at first because it is a bright colour, but trust me, you will absolutely love it. They're so easy to work with, these shades. They're so blendable and you can create so many looks with it. So definitely give an orange colour a go and try out this palette. And the last palette, which I'm not completely sure came out in 2017 either, I think it did, and it is this. It's the Love the Revolution palette. I'm pretty sure this is like a free one. Oh no, wait. It was free in Superdrug, but then you could buy it because I ended up buying it because my Superdrug just never ever had them for free. I used this one to do like a contour with, a blusher, highlighter and an eyeshadow look, but I do think it is just meant to be eyeshadow and a highlighter in the middle. The pigmentation on this though is absolutely brilliant, especially this one here. It's a gorgeous bronzy colour. I know you probably can't see that, I don't even know why I'm swatching it, but it is such a beautiful shade and again super blendable. And the reason that I wanted to include this was because you really can do all your face with this palette. Like I said, I did contour, blusher, highlighter, eyeshadow with this one palette, so it's really good for on the go if you're travelling. So I really would like to do a tutorial for you guys using these products. So obviously I'm going to have to use other things because I can't do a full face out of this, but I can do highlighter and lippy and eyeshadow using these products. So I would like you to leave me a little comment to let me know what 3 products you want me to use, or I can maybe use like a combination of the 2 eyeshadow palettes or whatever. Yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what products you want to see a tutorial on, and I'll do that in the next couple of videos to kind of link in with this video. I'm also going to be doing that on the Best of Beauty video 2, picking some of the products and doing a tutorial with them, just in case if any of you have picked them up upon my recommendation, you'll have a little look that may inspire you to try your own looks with the products. I know this has probably been quite a fast-paced, chatty video, but I really wanted to express my love of these products with you guys. And like I say, if you've watched my channel, you will know that I love Makeup Revolution, and so when I talk about something that I love, I do really get excited about it. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a little thumbs up and subscribe for more new videos from me. I usually post twice a week, on a Wednesday and on a Sunday. So make sure you have hit the little bell notification just down there so you get notified when I post a new video. And make sure to check out the Revolution playlist as well. And I'll see you on Wednesday with another video. Oh, actually, it's a really good video and it includes a giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!